Alright, I'm gonna make this intro short. My one that I filmed in Tennessee was not that good at all. So in this video, I was planning on going to Abrams Falls, but we took a little bit of a detour and it worked out way better than I ever expected. So you guys enjoy the second Tennessee travel vlog. Alright y'all, so we had a change of plans. We are not going to Abrams Falls. I decided to do Andrews Bald because I've been wanting to do that all week, but instead we're going to go to Clingman's Dome first, then hit Andrews Bald. It's about to be sunrise and it's already looking great. I'm already missing some of the views, but we're almost there. Totally worth it. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Happy to. Yeah. With your phone? Yeah. Yeah, of course. Tell me how you like them. Of course. Are they good? Yes. Awesome. Alright, so that was extremely worth it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go do that. I can't wait to edit them, so let's go do Andrews Bald. So I hope you guys liked today's video. I'm not doing the talking session. I just wanted it to be a bit more cinematic, throw in the shots that I liked, show you how I composed, a bit more B-roll, kind of like my Georgia one. And if you guys want to see that, I think it's over my left shoulder. Yeah, my left shoulder, so right there. So you guys go check that out. Go check out my last Tennessee video because it's pretty good as well, and I talk about some of the photos that I got there. Other than that, I am doing a couple shoots this week. I have a couple ideas set in motion. I have some friends who reached out to me, so they're going to be good. So make sure you guys subscribe for more content. Hit the bell, because then you don't have to follow me on Instagram, even though you should. They're in the bio, so you guys go check them out. And until then, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.